India is a developing country and its infrastructure is continuously getting better and better, and we, Kridha Group, are continuously contributing to the development of the country's infrastructure with innovative technologies and highest quality products. In the series of ours, now we have brought our world-class premium shuttering plywood range, which is the first and foremost requirement of any construction. Available in red and black phase, our 30 and 34 kg shuttering plywood range. Also like other Kridha Group product range, like calibered plywood, commercial plywood, hardwood plywood, alternate plywood, block boards, plush doors and decorative laminates, we have consistently been a leader in quality and commitment. Due to our location in Tarai region, there is availability of good eucalyptus wood of right age, which is the first requirement of good shuttering ply. Peeled cores are glued after dyeing and assembled in 100% automatic assembly line. There are chances of quality compromise in manual automatic. Ordinary press. That's why all our production is done with 100% automatic latest imported press, so that there is no compromise with quality under any circumstances. At every stage, our quality control team checks that there should be not any flaw in the production process. After the cut and finishing process, the product is checked once again and every lot is checked in fully equipped lab. Our aim has never been just to manufacture and sell products. We always want that our channel partners should always get world-class products along with better after-sales service and quality commitment. That's why, in such a short span of time, Kridha Group has reached all over India and also exports its products. We have also appointed exclusive depots in various states for timely delivery. Our belief of continuous research and development and doing away with ordinary competition with high standards makes us one of the leading manufacturers in the country today. And we assure all our dealers, distributors and contractors that our premium shuttering ply will always live up to its claims in 20+ repetitions. Let's build a strong India together. Kridha Plywood and Laminates, Kridha Group. Quality की बात Kridha के साथ।